Hey guys, Happy Jim with Park ADV here. We're getting ready to go to Tennessee and then to North Carolina. We're going to be looking at some property up there, but more importantly, we're going to be taking the bikes. We're going to try to capture some footage of some mountain riding up there. We're going to meet up with another rider in North Carolina who's going to take us on something like a 40-mile adventure trek. So anyway, y'all stay tuned, and we'll be posting this stuff as we get it, and I get it figured out onto Facebook. We're working on how we're doing with the better content and some learning more about how to actually work with YouTube and create some videos that y'all would really like to see. So if you have any comments or any help, I sure would appreciate it. You know, leave it in the comment section. Some of you guys probably know how to do this better than I do. I'm just trying to get the adventure out. But we're having a ball with it. Anyway, tune in when we post it. Peace out.